So you mentioned about XXX earlier, which is cross-site scripting, and that actually connects to something you told me earlier. You saw that many developers
Yeah.
did not sanitize forms in React Native, which later leads to possible SQL injection and XXS vulnerabilities. So why do you
Yeah.
think a React Native developer would miss sanitizing their forms? And what could be the potential risk due to such ignorance?
Yeah, so XSS is very interesting. So that's cross-site scripting. So the first thing mobile developers would think is, okay, so this is this typical JavaScript issue that you have on websites, that somebody puts in the script tags on a form and then it gets executed on the website when the form is not sanitized. Then we get to React Native. So like the first thought is, okay, but we have the text tags in React Native, so this what is actually shown is just string literals, and it's not going to be the code is not going to be executed, so we're safe. The thing is that the hackers are developing as well. They are developing their ideas, so they can use the basic idea of cross-site scripting, of injecting something into an unsanitized form. Try to do either an SQL injection or maybe something else. Maybe try to put a link in there, or maybe they will discover some other vulnerability. So even if the basic XSS cross-site scripting that the like the basic JavaScript is vulnerable to on web, okay, the basic attack is not gonna happen on React Native, but the hackers may figure out something a little more complex, something that has been observed in the security the security space. I know the newer attacks that are happening are very often chained attacks. So what is happening is that the bad guys are figuring one small thing and another and a third, and they're chaining them together. So we need to make very certain that we do not give them a point of entrance. And unsanitized forms, even at first glance, you think, no, it's fine, it's React Native, it's you cannot inject code simply into the form. You don't know how it may be used in a chained attack or maybe in some new sort of attack. And there's also SQL injections and so many other things that just can go wrong if you do not sanitize your forms. Plus, it's so easy to sanitize forms. Just do it, folks.
Just do it. Yeah. Well, that sounds terrible. Like hackers are getting smarter, and it also sounds like,
and they are using AI as well, right? So you have so many newcomers that use AI.